ye, waka waka ye, zamina mina zan aliva. This time for Africa, zamina mina ye, waka waka ye, zamina mina zan aliva. This time for Africa. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. On today's video tutorial, I'll show you how to play Waka Waka, This Time for Africa, from the legend Shakira. The scale of the song D major, and this entire song based on 4 chords. First D major, A major, B minor and G major. La 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 So that's the 4 chords group. Okay. Now look at the notes. So the B string 3rd fret and the B string 5th fret and the B string 3rd fret. Okay. Now C sharp, D C sharp. The B string 2 fret, B string 3 fret and B string 2 fret. Then the G string 4th fret, B string 3rd fret and B string 2 fret. Now the 2nd phrase. E, F sharp, the 3rd fret on B string, 5th fret B string and the 2nd fret E string. Then C sharp, D, E, B string 2 fret, B string 3 fret and B string 5th fret. Then it's same. Then E, D, F sharp, 5th fret B string, 3rd fret B string and the first string 2 fret. E string 5th and 2. Yes, E, A, F sharp. This is repeat. Then D, 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 E, D. Yes, 3rd fret B string, 5th fret B string and 3rd fret B string. Then E, F sharp, D, E. 5th fret B string, 2 fret E string. Then B string 3 fret and B string 5th fret. Then F sharp, D, B, A, D, F, A, D, C sharp, D, D, D. G string 2 fret, B string 3 fret, B string 2 fret and B string 3 fret. Once again, I'm playing the full. main theme, Waka Waka, this time for Africa. And I already told you the 4 chord groups, D and A, B minor and G. So, Samina Mina A, Waka Waka A, Samina Mina Zangariba, this time for Africa, Samina Mina A, Waka Waka A, Samina Mina Zangariba, this time for Africa. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la la la, la la, la la la, Africa.